In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable TradingView Dark Mode theme. By the end, you'll have dark mode turned on in the TradingView desktop website using either the main menu or a right-click on the chart. First, let's use the desktop website menu. On the TradingView homepage or any chart, move your cursor to the top left corner. Click the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. This opens the main menu. Look for the option labeled Dark Color Theme. It appears as a simple on/off switch. Click the switch once to activate it. As soon as you toggle it on, the interface updates instantly. The background, panels, and chart area shift to a dark palette, making the dark mode theme active across the site. If you prefer, you can access the same switch from your profile menu instead. Or move to the top right corner, click your profile picture to open the account menu, then find and click the dark color theme switch there. Both paths control the same setting, so use whichever menu is most convenient on your screen. Now take a moment to confirm the change. You should see the chart background, the watch list, and the side panels use darker colors. This setting only affects appearance, so it won't change your indicators, alerts, or any saved workspaces. If the screen updates while you're in the middle of analyzing a chart, don't worry, your data and drawings remain exactly the same. If you ever want to revert, the same switch turns dark color theme off just as quickly. Next, here's the alternative desktop method from the chart itself. Move your cursor directly over the chart area, then right-click to open the context menu. So in this menu, find Color Theme. Hover over it or click it to reveal the available themes. Select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, the chart adopts the dark theme. This is handy when you're working full screen on a chart and want to switch the look without opening the main menu. Again, your chart data and settings are unaffected. Only the visual theme changes. From here, look across the chart to verify the new theme has taken effect. Candles, grid lines, and backgrounds adjust to darker tones, and the contrast of your indicators should remain readable. If the colors look different than expected, that's normal when moving from a light to a dark palette. The layout is the same, only the style has changed. You can switch back the same way by right-clicking, opening Color Theme, and selecting a light theme whenever you prefer. At this point, you've seen both supported ways on the desktop website to enable the TradingView Dark Mode theme, using the Dark Color Theme switch from the main menu or your profile menu, and using the right-click Color Theme option directly on the chart. Use the first method when you're navigating the site and want to toggle the entire interface quickly. Use the second method when you're focused on a chart and want a fast, in-place switch. Once that's done, there's nothing else you need to configure. The dark mode setting takes effect immediately and is safe to change anytime. If you continue browsing different pages or open new charts, the dark color theme will remain active, so your workspace stays consistent. That's it. The TradingView Dark Mode theme is now enabled and active. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.